Permanent Christmas lights are a fantastic way to add a festive, year-round glow to your home, especially in Plano, where the holiday spirit thrives. These lights are not only convenient but also enhance your home's curb appeal and bring joy to your family, friends, and neighbors. However, like any home investment, proper maintenance is essential to ensure that your permanent Christmas lights continue to shine brightly and last for years. Here's a customer-focused guide on how to maintain your permanent Christmas lights in Plano to ensure longevity and keep them looking their best throughout the seasons. Regular cleaning to prevent dirt and debris buildup. Over time, dust, dirt, leaves, and other debris can accumulate on your permanent Christmas lights, especially if they are installed outdoors where they are exposed to the elements. Regular cleaning is essential to maintain their brightness and prevent clogging of the light bulbs or wiring. To clean your lights, first ensure that they are turned off and unplugged. Use a soft cloth, a microfiber duster, or a gentle brush to remove any dust or debris. For more thorough cleaning, you can use a mild soap and water solution. Avoid using harsh chemicals that might damage the lights or wiring. Be sure to dry the lights thoroughly after cleaning to prevent moisture buildup. Cleaning your lights at least once every season or after major weather events will keep them sparkling and free of dirt that can dull their shine. Inspect lights for damage or wear. While permanent Christmas lights are built to last, it's important to inspect them regularly for any signs of damage. Exposure to extreme temperatures, storms, or accidental bumps can cause wear and tear on your lights, wiring, or connectors. In Plano, where storms and heavy rains can occur, inspecting your lights for damage is particularly important. Check for frayed wires, broken bulbs, or loose connections. If you notice any issues, replace the damaged components immediately. Most permanent Christmas lights have easy-to-replace bulbs, and doing so promptly will prevent further damage. If you're not comfortable handling electrical repairs, consider hiring a professional to inspect and maintain the lights to ensure safety. Secure the lights properly. One of the most common causes of damage to permanent Christmas lights is improper installation or loose fixtures. If your lights are not securely fastened to your home, wind, rain, or even wildlife could cause them to loosen or fall off. Additionally, improperly secured lights can shift out of place or cause stress on the wiring, leading to potential malfunctions. Ensure that your lights are installed with the right fasteners, clips, or hooks that are appropriate for your home's exterior and the type of lights you're using. If you notice that some lights have come loose, tighten the fasteners and check the wiring to ensure everything is securely in place. Regularly inspect the lights, especially after a storm or heavy wind, to make sure they remain stable. Protect lights from harsh weather conditions. Plano's climate can experience hot summers, thunderstorms, and even occasional winter chill, all of which can take a toll on your permanent Christmas lights if they're not adequately protected. While most permanent lights are designed to withstand the elements, taking extra precautions can help prolong their lifespan. Consider covering your lights with a weather-resistant coating or using waterproof connectors to shield them from moisture. In particularly harsh weather, such as high winds or hailstorms, it may be worth disconnecting and covering the lights for a short period until the weather improves. A waterproof, breathable cover can protect the lights without trapping moisture inside. Ensure proper electrical maintenance. Electrical maintenance is key to keeping your permanent Christmas lights functioning properly. Check the wiring regularly for signs of wear, and make sure all connections are secure. If your lights are connected to an electrical panel or smart home system, ensure that the connections are properly installed and that the system is running efficiently. Consider hiring a licensed electrician to perform an annual checkup, especially if you notice any flickering lights or inconsistencies in performance. Proper electrical maintenance ensures that your lights stay operational and safe. Consider seasonal maintenance and storage. While permanent Christmas lights are designed to be left up year-round, it's a good idea to perform a full inspection and cleaning every year to ensure they're in peak condition. After the holiday season, before the lights remain up for the year, perform a maintenance check to address any issues that may have cropped up. This includes replacing any broken bulbs and checking the wiring. If your lights are installed in a way that allows for easy removal and storage, such as on temporary mounts, consider taking them down during extreme weather or after the holidays to protect them from long-term wear. Store any removable parts in a cool, dry place to prevent them from being damaged or corroded. Hire a professional for repairs or major maintenance. If you find that your lights have more extensive damage, such as issues with the wiring or more intricate repairs, it's best to consult a professional. While many homeowners can handle simple fixes like replacing bulbs, complex electrical repairs may require an expert to ensure safety and proper functioning. Hiring a professional also ensures that the installation and wiring are done correctly, avoiding potential hazards. Additionally, a professional can offer expert advice on maintaining the lights throughout the year. Conclusion: permanent Christmas lights are a wonderful addition to any home in Plano, bringing beauty and festive cheer year-round. By following these maintenance tips, including regular cleaning, securing lights, inspecting for damage, protecting from harsh weather, and ensuring proper electrical care, you can ensure your lights continue to shine brightly for many years. With a little attention and care, your permanent Christmas lights will remain a valuable and reliable part of your home's exterior, enhancing its curb appeal and creating a warm, welcoming atmosphere for your family and neighbors.